My dear friend, good evening. How are you? I hope you will be nice. Today we see the 20 most IMP question. The first question is the discovery of the electron was made by option A Rutherford, option B J.J. Thomson, option C Dalton, option D Chadwick. Correct answer will be B J.J. Thomson. Question number 2. The charge on an electron is positive, negative, neutral, double positive. Correct answer will be negative. Question number 3. The proton was discovered by option A Rutherford, Thomson, Dalton, Bohr. Correct answer will be Rutherford. Question number 4. The neutron was discovered by Rutherford, Bohr, James Chadwick, Dalton. Correct answer will be James Chadwick. Question number 5. The center of an atom is called orbit, nucleus, shell, electron, cloud. Correct answer will be B. Nucleus. Question number 6. The charge on the proton is negative, neutral, positive, no charge. Correct answer will be C. Positive charge. Question number 7. Electron revolve around the nucleus in option A. Orbits or shells. Nucleus, neutrons, protons. Correct answer will be A. Orbits or shells. Question number 8. The maximum number of electron in the K cell is option A 2, option B 8, option C 18, option D 32. Correct answer will be 2. We know that K, L, M, N 2, 8, 18, 32 electron. The K cell have 2 electron, L cell have 8 electron, M cell have 18 electron, N cell have 32 electrons. So option A is correct. Question number 9. The maximum number of electron in the L cell is option A 2, option B 8, option C 18, option D 32. Correct answer will be B. Question number 10. The atomic number of an element is equal to the number of neutron, protons, electron plus neutrons mass number. Correct answer will be B. Proton. Question number 11. Mass number is the sum of proton and electron, electron and neutron, proton and neutron, only protons. Correct answer will be C. Protons and neutrons. Question number 12. Isotopes are atoms of the same element having same mass number, same atomic number but different mass number, different atomic number, different electron. Correct answer will be B. Question number 13. Isobars are atoms having same atomic number, same mass number but different atomic number, same electron, same neutron. Answer will be D. Question number 14. Which particle has no charge? Electron, proton, neutron, nucleus. Correct answer will be neutron. Question number 15. The atomic number of the carbon is A4, B6, C8, D12. Correct answer will be 6. Question number 16. The electronic configuration of the oxygen 8 is 26, 28, 24, 44. Correct answer will be A, 26. Question number 70. The number of the neutrons in the carbon 12 is option A 6, option B 12, option C 8, option D 8. Correct answer will be 6. Proton, electron, neutron. So proton also 6, neutron also 6, electron also 6. So the number of the neutron will be 6. Question number 18. The outermost shell of an atom is called K cell, L cell, M cell, valence cell. Valence cell. Outermost orbit is known as the valence cell. The number of electrons which are found in the valence cell, that is known as the valency of the atom. Question number 19. The valency of the sodium is 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct answer will be A. The valency of the sodium is 1 because K, L, M, 2, 8, 1. So the valency of the sodium will be the valency of the sodium is 1. Question number 20. Which model of atom was given by Rutherford? Option A Plum pudding model, nuclear model, atomic theory, Bohr model. Correct answer will be nuclear model. So, which model of the atom was given by Rutherford? That is known as the nuclear model. Thank you so much, nice. Please like, share and subscribe this video. Thank you.